I'm Randy Davis, the Senior Vice President and Chief Information Officer for Author Solutions, the self-publishing arm for the largest trade publisher in the world. We engaged with Suyati almost 4 years ago to solve a number of business problems which were key to us. We needed to grow. We're a very entrepreneurial company at Author Solutions, and we needed to grow aggressively in order to fulfill the needs of our client authors. And we were having a very difficult time finding the right skill sets, the skill sets that we need to build technology solutions in our home office in the Bloomington, Indianapolis, Indiana area. So we reached out to Suyati and were successful in acquiring the kind of talent that we needed because of the way they could penetrate the market. They could acquire the skill sets that we were looking for and acquire them in a way that uniquely matched our requirements. So we were paying specifically for what we needed and not for what we did. The second problem we had, speaking of payment, is that of cost. We wanted to grow, but being entrepreneurial, we wanted to grow in a way where we were containing our costs. So we needed to find a way to build technology solutions with a partner that could provide the services we need at the lowest total cost of ownership for delivering those services. We partnered with Suyati and with their global dedicated teams and with the transparent model that we have with them. I was aware of the costs that we had from the very beginning, so I could measure and manage that spend relative to our growth and relative to the benefit of that investment over. And lastly, we had the issue of an aggressive entrepreneurial company, as I mentioned a couple times, meant that we were building state-of-the-art technology projects that were pushing the envelope relative to our industry, much more so than anyone else had in the past. And so we needed visionary leaders from a technology perspective on our partner side that could match with the people, the business expertise we had internally in order to build these solutions in a way that could best meet our customer needs, best meet our corporate needs, and allow us to stay a step ahead of our competition in our market space. Some of our other Author Solutions leaders have spoken to the value that we get from the Suyati Group from an execution perspective, and I think that goes all the way through the chain, from conceptual, from the business need, all the way through execution, through delivery. Suyati's been a great partner for us, and we look forward to other opportunities to engage with them in the future.
Hi, I'm Ryan Ladd. I'm the Global Director of Program Management at Author Solutions, and we are the world's leading self-publishing company. We began our relationship with Suyati 4 years ago. It's extremely important to us in our business to be able to manage a series of very complex systems. We have an environment in which we run multiple lines of business out of our core systems, and so there is a lot of technical complexity as well as business process complexity. So one of the real challenges that we had in front of us was finding the talent to support us long-term in a fast growth environment and be able to really understand and own the technical complexities of our systems and of our business processes. We have found that partner in Suyati, and we rely very heavily on a long-established relationship with very limited and low turnover to help maintain continuity in our IT projects and in our systems support and maintenance. We have found that the Suyati Group has become expert in our systems in a way that is far beyond what our expectations were for a partner going into the relationship, and that we have been able to really rely more and more heavily on the team at Suyati to be able to help us deliver technology solutions, to be able to offer and expand new ways of thinking about and looking at our technology solutions, as they've really become those experts in our processes and in our technology, allowed us to continue to grow and expand effectively. The Suyati Group is extremely easy to work with. As a program manager, my job is very heavily related to making sure things stay on task, things stay on schedule. The Suyati team has always been willing to make the extra efforts as needed to keep a project on schedule, and in fact has taken that sense of personal ownership that is so vital to a team's success. So overall, the relationship with Suyati has been very productive for us here at Author Solutions, and I think very highly of the group in Suyati.
Hello, my name is Stewart Iverson, Program Manager at Author Solutions, and we work with our Suyati Group on many different initiatives, including some of our largest initiatives. The members of our team from the Suyati Group contribute heavily to our success, and what I like the most about them is their openness and ability to pick up any type of work on our projects and just bring it together and really be successful. Some of the things that we've done in the past is bring them into sessions and help with requirements and design, and that's really helped us get to where we need to be on the project quicker, faster, and most efficiently. Through our project, we actually have many different groups going at once, and the Suyati Group came in, hit the ground running, and really helps us execute a lot of our sessions and assists with many different types of work that we have in our processes. One of the things that I like about the Suyati Group is the people that they actually hire. We get involved with them, and they actually provide a lot of good feedback as well as direction on our project, and that really helps us be successful with our initiatives. In the future, I hope that we can actually work with Suyati Group more on different projects and really bring the teams together to create initiatives and goals going forward.
My name is Romi. I am the Global Director of Enterprise Architecture at Author Solutions. My experience working with the Suyati team, we have been very successful in working with very talented individuals in terms of their technical background and expertise. They've been able to help us out with quite a few challenges, and they have proven over and over their creativity and willingness to take time and work with us through anything that came up. And they've been very productive, and we've been very successful in working with them. Also, we have been very successful in recruiting top talent in the architecture, for the architecture team. Their pool of resources has been top-notch, very easy to work with. Overall, the project, one of the projects that we've been working on, a very high visibility and high profile project. The architects that work with us from the Suyati side have been very successful and productive and have accomplished quite a bit in a very short amount of time. We have had to figure out things out, such as solar search implementation, things that maybe we haven't had to do in the past, and they've always been able to come up with very good solutions and creative solutions. So we have had a very good experience with Suyati. We have been working with them in this fashion for the last 2 to 3 years, and overall it has been an excellent working relationship. We're looking forward to continuing that relationship. Given our experience with Suyati, we're looking forward to continue working with their technology group, and I wouldn't want to work with any other company as far as talent, depth of talent, and quality of work that we have seen from Suyati.